What's up everybody, it's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I thought I would do an eyeshadow look that I have had pictured into my mind. So ever since Manny MUA uploaded the video of I do my fans makeup or whatever, there was this girl, and I'll put a picture of the look she did right here in her tag, and she did this like, I don't even know how to explain it. It was like one of these curvy cut creases, and it was cut crease right here, and then it was a liner. So it got me thinking, and I was looking at it and I was like, I want to do that with purple. So I have a vision. I'm just going to talk a little bit during this. I'm probably just going to do the eyeshadow. I don't know, we'll see, but let's just jump right into the video. So before we start with anything with the eyes, we're going to prime our face, just because I do kind of want to jump into the eyeshadow, eyebrows a little bit. I haven't used this in a while. I'm going to take the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. I use this probably like twice ever, and I liked it, but I can't remember if I liked it that much. I do remember that it didn't make my skin super dry though, but I remember that it was really cooling. So, and now I'm going to add some Professional Pearl Primer on. Alrighty then, so I'm going to prime these eyeballs with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light. I go through these so fast because I use Tarte Shape Tape for literally everything. I use Tarte Shape Tape for my foundation every single day. Well, not as my foundation, but I combine it with my foundation every day just because either the color's not right or I don't know what it is, but Tarte Shape Tape does something to my foundations and makes it the perfect combination for me every single time, and I really love it. I'm going to take my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to take the white shade in the palette, and I'm going to set my eyes with it with just a flat shader brush. I'm going to take the white shade. If I haven't already said that, I'm just going to pat that on over. Right on over. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I have the picture in my mind. We're gonna just roll with it. I'm gonna show you guys the pictures that I've been inspired by though. So this is Manny MUA's look. He did this right here. When I looked at this, like, I know a lot of people are thinking of it differently. This reminded me of Instagram. Like, you know how like the Instagram logo is like that? Like, I thought that's what they were trying to do when they were doing this. And then the actual look is by Makeup by Kira B, or I don't know. This is her look, and this is so pretty. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm thinking about doing the same look but purple, but not the white. The white will be like a purple as well. And then the liner, it's not gonna be okay, it's not the same look at all. It's just the same like structure. So basically what I'm thinking is I'm gonna do this part, and then I'm gonna do like a regular, you know, curvy cut crease, and then the liner I'm gonna do a purple and then glitter over top of that. So let's get into this. I'm really nervous. I'm gonna start off with my Morphe 35B palette. Just because this palette is so beautiful. If you haven't seen it, I've displayed this palette many times in my videos, but there's a little overview of it again. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with this light purple shade. I'm just going to show you guys because when I was editing that last video and I had to put the little picture in the corner, it was just so much work, so I'm just going to show you guys, and so it's right here. So I'm going to take this on my Morphe M573, and this brush is dirty. So I'm just going to tap this off. These shadows are not that pigmented, but that is okay because it is a colorful palette, so just in case you do go too ham into one color, then you can build it up. mix it in with this bright purple shade right here, with my M433 brush, and I'm just gonna lightly mix it in just because it's looking like a gray color right now, and I don't really want it to look like that. Okay, it looks really rough right now, but I'm hoping that it's gonna piece together in the end. But I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm gonna do a little cut crease. And I'm gonna use my Morphe M416 brush. It's a super tiny detailing brush that I love for cleaning up the eyebrows, for cut creases, cleaning up liner. It's a good brush. You guys should really invest in this brush because it's good. So I'm gonna do a little sketch of it, and then I'm gonna fill it in. I'm going to take the Morphe 35B, and I'm going to take this shade right here on my MAC 228, and I'm going to spray this because I want this to be pigmented. And I'm going to put this on my inner corners. Now I'm going to take the Morphe 35S palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here. It's like a mauve purple, but it's like a deeper purple. And I'm going to take it on the same brush, and I'm going to spray it. Goodness gracious, sorry, with my mirror. And then I'm going to go back into the shade. That's what I've been doing because, as we know, purples are hard to make, and sometimes they're not that pigmented. So we're going to saturate the brush, and then we're going to blend. I'm going to go over again with the first shade from the 35B palette. I'm not going to wet it though. And I'm going to blend over the tops of it. And we're going to take this purple shade right here, obviously. And this shade is called 143. I'm going to take it on the same shade, but I'm not going to spray it because these shadows are pigmented. And then we're going to add this on the last outer half. Okay, so I blended it out. It looks a little bit like this. The last shade we're going to use is from the Morphe 35B palette. And we're going to take this shade, sorry. We're going to take this shade, and I'm using my Morphe E36 brush. And this is going to be the last shade on that little flick. So we're going to take it right here and blend it on up and push it into that Colourpop shade. And don't worry, we'll clean it up later. Okay, now for the liner part, I'm going to start on this eye because I'm just going to do this one off camera. I'm going to try out, actually, this Kat Von D Ink Liner in Neruda. This is just a white eyeliner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a liner, and then I'm going to put a shadow over top of it, and then I'm going to put glitter on top of that. Sorry, I didn't think for a second. So we're going to start off. So now I'm going to go with my Morphe M326, and I'm going to go over top with this light shade once more, and I'm going to put that over top the liner. Okay, so for glitter liner, I thought I had a purple glitter, but I don't. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Heavy Metal glitter liners, and I'm just going to kind of like sporadically put it around. And then I'm also going to take this Helen glitters in, Cerise. I really like this glitter because it looks like it's like, oh wait, that's a pink glitter, you know? But if you press your finger in it, it's like a purpley, pinky, iridescent type of thing going on. So, depending on where you see it at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do little dots of this everywhere, and then I'm going to put Cerise over top of that. I'm going to use it with my 900 brush. I love this. Let me zoom y'all in just to show you, because I did kind of change it from what I said I was going to do. So what I added is, you can tell that I added the little purple and pink specks in there. I did make the whole liner glitter, but it's okay because you can still tell the purple's underneath it. And then I don't know if you can tell the little sparkles of the purple and the pinks, but I absolutely love it. Ignore my eyebrows, please, but it's so pretty. So let's move on to the face. For foundation, I'm going to use a mixture of the Milani Conceal and Perfect No. 1 Creamy Vanilla and my Tarte Shape Tape, of course. I'm going to take the Morphe M439 and I'm just going to dab it in like this. Full coverage, baby. Okay, this is probably the last time I'm using Tarte Shape Tape, sorry, but I'm going to do concealer now. I was going to use my Maybelline Match Conceal, but it was too dark. It's been a while and I'm missing summer and how bronze I was. Oh, I'm going to Hawaii in a little bit. So there's probably going to be a period of time where there's going to be no videos again. Crazy to forever. I'm going to take a mixture of my Laura Mercier and my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. And I'm going to go underneath my eyes, so I don't look so weirdly white and powdery and translucent. I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix in NC30. This is too dark for me. It looks really light on camera, but it's not. So if you have fair skin, don't grab NC30 or NC... I know a lot of people use like NC35 or something. Don't grab that if you're fair skin because it's too dark for you, honey. Time for some bronzer. I'm going to use my Hoola bronzer with my Morphe M437. This is my favorite bronzing brush. ATM LOL ROTFL. Just gonna bronze it up. I'm gonna go into blush. I'm gonna use my blush Tarte Blushing Bride blush with this flat top brush. This is like my favorite thing to apply blush lately, just because it gives a really nice like all over rouge type of vibe. Now to further deepen up my face, I'm going to take my Kat Von D contour palette and this Morphe R10 brush, and I'm going to take this shade and a tiny bit of that shade, and we're going to contour. For some weird reason, I love this brush. It's not like an amazing brush or anything, but I have this weird like love for this brush and I don't know what it is. I'm gonna spray this face with my Badescu spray. I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Hustler Baby, and I'm gonna I feel like my highlight like never looks as good as some people's on YouTube. Okay, I'm aware that I have a little dot right here. I'm gonna clean that up in a second. For my inner corner though, I'm going to add a little bit of purple. I'm going to take my Moonchild palette. I never really use this palette, but I don't think I'd ever like throw it out because there are those chances that I am going to use it like now, you know. And plus this pink heart shade is really pretty just on its own. I'll swatch it for you guys. Like that's a beautiful, beautiful shade, and it's like, ugh, and it's like pink, and look at my face compared to my, oh gosh. Okay. Anyways, so I'm going to take my Moonchild palette, and I'm going to take a mix, I'm going to take Blue Moon first on my Morphe M326, and I'm going to spray it, and I'm going to go back into it, and I'm going to put this on my inner corner. Yeah, I like that. I do kind of want it to be a little bit more glittery, so I might just go into Purple Horseshoe. Yeah, I'm going to go into Purple Horseshoe as well. Spray that, and then back into it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and I'm gonna do my favorite lip combo at the moment. This lip combo literally goes with everything, and I love it. So, the lip liner is inexpensive, but if you want to go like an expensive route, you can use like a Jouer lip liner. I don't remember whose video it was. I'm pretty sure it was, I'm pretty sure it was Shani Gurman. She had a really good, okay, like this was the dupe for the other product that she used, but she said it was more creamy. It was the Jouer lip cream, but I don't know what it was. So if you want to invest in a good lip liner that's just like this one, then you can go ahead and do that. But this is the NYX retractable lip liner in Nude, and it's really pretty and I like it a lot. So and then the lipstick I'm going to use is the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick. This packaging is so pretty and sleek, and I love this little emblem on here. This is in the shade Honey. It's a really pretty nude and it matches so well with this lip liner. I'm going to take the Makeup Designer Sandy Beach. I always forget the name of this. I'm going to take off the first layer because that was a different lip shade. And then over top of that, I'm going to take a lip gloss. You can just use a clear lip gloss. Sometimes I like to use the Chanel Double, and it's just literally just a clear gloss. You can invest in a cheap clear gloss. But I'm going to use this one. It's called the Beauty Rush Flavored Gloss Victoria's Secret in Candy Baby. I love this lip gloss so much. And I'm just going to put this on the center. But these are what the eyes look like. I am so in love with them. I'm really happy that I stuck with the ombre because it is really pretty and I'm super happy with it. Let me zoom out a little bit more. Yeah. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you did like this video, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!